Another update. If you buy avocado pear, anytime you see avocado pear, eat and finish, my brother. No throw away that seed. That seed with the inside avocado pear. If you listen to me finish and you still throw away that seed with the inside, no say that you be the cause of your problem. You know say avocado pear, the seed they more important than even that butter like wine they leak. That's why they enjoy the call avocado pear. You know say the seed they more important than that one. But don't make research say that seed na natural antibiotics. Or you both na natural antibiotics. What the video now? What they are now? May you see how to prepare them for yourself. Now natural antibiotics. Those who they get kidney problem. Just watch this video. If you really like human being life, if you value life, share this video. Make those brother who get kidney problem get to hear about this avocado pear. Now just new release. We will find out say you get how you prepare them. You go take care of a kidney problem, liver problem. It cleans body. That's why I go make a site, bring the video, make you watch them. Watch and finish, I bet share me this video. Not for me, but for other one who don't know about them. When we finish, we'll come to comment section. We'll come talk about more benefits about avocado.
I never threw the avocado pit in the trash again. After I tell you all the benefits of this wonderful seed, you will never throw it away again. The avocado pit is a true pharmacy from God. It is antimicrobial, antifungal, and natural antibiotic. Let's start by cutting the avocado to remove the pit. The indigenous population often use this seed to cure everything from diarrhea, muscle pain, kidney and liver disorders, to cataracts and boils, epilepsy and thyroid problems. Now wash and dry the seed, pour a liter of water into a pan and bring to a boil. When the water is boiling, put the avocado pit and let it cook for 10 minutes. After that time, turn off the fire and let it rest for another 5 minutes. Now just strain and it's ready. And since I must consume it, it is advised to take it 3 times a day. Remembering that this tea must be consumed within 8 hours after it is ready, so as not to lose its medicinal properties. Now I'm going to give you 6 reasons to start using avocado seeds today. Number 1, the avocado pit can be of great help in different stomach problems. It relieves diarrhea, gastrointestinal inflammations, prevents the formation of gastric ulcers and bacterial and viral diseases. Number 2, it increases the body's defenses, that is, it strengthens the immune system. The avocado pit has anti-inflammatory properties, which is excellent for people who suffer from diseases that affect the joints, such as arthritis. Number 3, frequent consumption of avocado pit not only prevents colds and flu but is also able to cure them, due to its power to strengthen the immune system. Number 4, the avocado pit can be a great food to reduce the need to eat out of hours and consequently help you lose weight. Number 5, the avocado pit does a lot to keep blood sugar low. Number 6, it has the power to prevent the appearance of candida and several classes of fungus. Avocado pit, being rich in dietary fiber and natural laxatives, such as saponins and tannins, avocado pit easily improves digestion and bowel movement. A rich source of magnesium, avocado pits help maintain a healthy nervous system, improve sleep, and even prevent anxiety. Now tell me, was this tip useful for you? If you've made it this far, leave the phrase "I love avocado" in the comments and the city you're watching me in. I love receiving affection from all of you. I'm Anna and I speak from Ribeirão Preto. And that was our tip for today, and I really hope you enjoyed it. And I'm staying here. Everyone stay with God, and bye-bye.
Shebi you don't see am. Shebi you don't see am say avocado be a seed, dey very important. That seed dey important. Part that when you dey buy the league, you throw away the seed. If you watch the video at what and finish, you see get mind to away that seed. You're not doing good to yourself and to Nigerians. Share this video, make our brothers learn how to prepare this seed. Prevention, I tell you, better pass cure. You go say you no get kidney problem, but you don't know where you get them because you never go do test. Why not start now? They prepare this thing for yourself. Take it for yourself. Prevention, they better, they cheaper pass cure. Now, brother, Mr. Spade, I dey find joy to bring information that will help you. Sometimes I bring comedy, sometimes I bring prank, but the one I enjoy pass, the one I like pass. Now this one where they bring solution to health problem. Help me and help Nigeria by sharing this video. Share the video. make our people get to know, say, yes, we get natural home remedy for our health problems. Thank you for watching. I remain your brother, Mr. Spade. Thank you.